So that's the Renault Espace in 2010, and here's an interesting thing. You can switch it into neutral and you can release the parking brake and you can lock the car and get out from it, of course, and it stays like that, so the car is free to move. Now currently the handbrake is pulled, so let's press the start button twice. The dash turns on. Now I can press this button and I can brake and neutral. So currently it's in N. It's not moving, so it is in neutral. Now I can release the parking brake. It's a warning, it's blinking, so it's not pulled. The red is blinking there also. The handbrake is not pulled, and it's also in neutral. So since it's in neutral, the front wheel is not blocked, and since the parking brake is not applied, the rear wheel is not blocked either. What? It's not locking it. It locked it before. The dashboard is still on. If I open the door, it's still warning me. Yes, the car is closed. It's locked. The rear wheel is unlocked, it's free to move. The front wheel is unlocked, it's free to move. You can take a look there. Yes, there. The LED is still blinking. The parking brake is not applied. You can move the car. Of course, no, it's not on a flat surface. But as you can see, it is moving. That's not a good feature. You can leave your car, you can lock it, and it's free to move. Unlock. Now it's still warning us. Handbrake is applied. Now it's not blinking. And now it is in park. Now it's not moving.